Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing on the topic of Lokpal. Why this Lokpal coming into the news? Recently, former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ajay Manikaro recently appointed as the chairperson of Lokpal. Chairperson of Lokpal. His name again I am repeating, former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ajay Manikaro. About the Lokpal, we will see what Lokpal will do, what it works, and organizational structure and powers of Lokpal, as well as and difference between the Lokyukta and Lokpal, and some of the historical background we will discuss in this today's session. Coming to the Lokpal, it's a statutory body, means which was established by the Act. This statutory body under the Act 2013 Lokpal and Lokyukta, it was established. Its functionality is to inquire into the allegations corruption against certain public functionaries and for related matters. Its organizational structure is, it consists of one chairperson which was appointed by the president, recommended by one special committee, and maximum of 8 members. One chairperson and 8 members. This chairperson eligibility is, he is a former Chief Justice of India. Now the Chief Justice of India is Chandrachud, and former Judge of Supreme Court, who was appointed by the President, recommended by a special committee. If any person appointed by the President, one committee should be recommended. That committee is having PM and Speaker of Lok Sabha. Now the Speaker is Om Birla, and opposition leader in the Lok Sabha, and judge nominated by him. Its tenure, this chairperson tenure is 5 years. 5 years or age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. What are the powers of Lokpal? Powers, it can give the direction to the CBI. CBI full form is Central Bureau of Investigation. The cases cannot transfer without the approval of this Lokpal. Lokpal has powers of confiscation of assets, procedures, and procured by means of corruption in special circumstances. This is the powers of Lokpal. Coming to the difference between Lokayukta and Lokpal, Lokpal is related to the union, central level body, union body. Lokayukta is state level body. In Lokayukta, all the members are related to the legislative assembly, but in Lokpal, all the members are related to the parliament, in the sense Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In Lokayukta, those organizational structure, chairperson and members are appointed by the governor, and Lokpal, members and chairperson appointed by the president, recommended by a special committee. Those committee PM, I said the Speaker of Lok Sabha, opposition leaders, those. Whenever this appointment is going on in Lokayukta, that depends on state laws, but in Lokpal fully dedicated to the central laws. In Lokayukta 3 members only there, but in Lokpal 8 members. Coming to the historical background, in 1809 the Sweden was first started this Lokpal, but in India 1963. 2011 Anna Hazare was started this movement of Lokpal. We will start the Lokpal like that, one movement he brought out. In 2013 the Lokpal bill passed, but chairman was appointed in 2019. The first chairperson Lokpal is retired Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Now the chairperson is, again I am repeating, former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ajay Mankro, which was appointed by the President. This is the points related to Lokpal. Thank you.